Welcome to Upikelela podcast enqindilili. Igama lami nguLuvuyo, isename nguNciki, ichomi zami nempintshi zami, nabantu base-site kwaZakhele noBathana bandibiza uVovo. Namhlanje we've got another guest here and I'm excited because besiphethe i-masterclass. Namhlanje besifake isikolo. Ungacimba wena siphethe utishara but siphethe an entrepreneur. Siphethe uNcidi Sagoniwe. Bhuti, welcome to Upikelela podcast.
Thanks very much. Ndiyabulela kakhulu.
Sure.
Ndiyavuya uba lapha.
Kudala sithethe you are one of the guests ekudala masela nazi noba man funeka uzile ngapha. Funeke uze and ndibathathe kakhulu. Yabo. So for abangakwaziyo sizawungena kuleyo sizawuya pha but ngoku I am excited ndoba you have started something. Ndifuna ukucheck ba ku manufacturer okanye kuthini bizwa njani for you to do what you are doing ngesneaker. Ibizwa ntoni?
Uzawuthi ku-manufacture sneakers.
All right.
Leather
Right ngoku.
Yeah.
Right. So but ke sizawuqala from eqaleni size nayo kahle but omnye ngoku ehleli pha ayazi ndoba ngabana isihlangu kaloku majority yethu isihlangu sesibona sesikhona.
Njalo.
Asike sicinge ndoba isihlangu samanufacturisha and nakhona manufacturing senziwa apha edladleni like ngasiconfuse ingathi ihlangu kumele basivela eChina kanye basivela eEurope kanye phiphipi. So before singene apho ke ndiyafuna into yoba ngabana siqale eqaleni.
Okay.
Siqale eqaleni ba uGroote uzalelwa phi?
Yeah. Ngubani uNcedisa?
Yes.
Yeah, ndike ndahleka nami ndisazikhangela.
Oh.
Uba ndingubani?
Yes.
Yeah, but igama lami ndinguNcedisa.
Sure.
Wakwagoniwe.
Okay.
And ndifuna uyicacisa lena because into ndizalelwe apha eBhayi.
All right.
FA Plus.
Okay.
Ndizalelwa apha eBhayi nje. Original aningwalapha eBhayi. Abazali.
Sure.
Bezwe ngempangelo.
Sure.
Abazali ngabasengqosho.
Oh.
Emazizini.
Hayi.
Yeah.
Umakhulu wami lo macala mazizi engqowa or something.
Kanye pha umama ngwasengqowa.
Hey wena usazalana fanele bazofumana isneaker. Bazofumana isneaker.
You never
know.
Wow,
yes.
Yeah, but abazali bebephangela lapha.
All right.
Kwezifemza lapha eBhayi.
Sure.
So bazala thina ke.
Okay.
Anzalwe pha ke nge-80s.
Okay. Ngophi 80s bangakuthia ba
1980.
80?
Yeah. July.
Nami ngena ngo8 apha emhlabeni ngoJanuary.
I guess ngondanga.
Anidala.
July is fine. Fine.
Sure.
Yeah. So andihlelanga kakhulu ke FA Plus.
All right.
Ndaya kwaZakhele I think 1983. Ndisemncinci nami ndikubona nje kwifoto.
Okay.
Yayibaliselwa lento yase.
All right.
But benimane ndisiya ke FA Plus because uDabs benestand pha uyabona pha ecycling.
Okay, pha
FA Plus so kumane ukukhonza kuthiwa hey kokweni kwakupha.
Oh.
Yeah, informal settlement ke ngalo.
All right, sure.
Awukhamba bubuzi. Saya kwaZakhele. Noma kwaZakhele sele 2 years kwabe kuvuka eMotherwell.
Okay.
Kwabe kukhwezazi indlu zaseMotherwell. Ezazigunqolwa sasiqala ubona indlu eqoqolwa ngela xesha.
All right.
So ndikhulele pha ke eMotherwell noba naphandle la ngexesha elininzi satrokwa ngabazali.
Bayamove.
Yeah, zange bamove actually bona. They decided there was a time and akhe kwakho ingxaki ndafumana car accident emncinci.
Oh.
So ba decide abazali ba hayi man. Abantwana engela xesha mase kwaduring apartheid in 86. IHomeland zazi ngcono ngela xesha. Abantwana masiyokwakhumze pha. Sibakhela umzi pha sibafundise pha abantwana. So isikolo ke ngoko ndisiqale pha ezilalini.
Okay.
Isikolo pha kuthiwa kusenqowa. Fortunately isikolo sasicangwa sekhaya isitixo sesikolo sashiywa apha kum.
Hayibo.
Yeah, so ndikhule kanjalo ke. Ubuyela high school yami ndiyenze pha emfundweni nayo. Ndikhule kamandi ke pha elalini masininzi activities. Kuliwe intonga kuyaqhutshwa, kudlalwa irugby, kudlalwa isoccer. So ndiparticipate kwezazinto.
Okay. Une physique umuntu werugby futhi.
Yeah, ndidlalile rugby from under 12 to under 19. But predominantly ndidlale isoka kakhulu.
Oh,
I understand ngoku I look like yabo sendityile
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so ke life yami njalo. Ndibuye apha eBhayi uzokuhlala permanent bendisiza nje ngeholiday. You know xa ubuya ke uze holiday eBhayi bane challenges. Amajita ukutshintsha neaccent masihlala ezilalini.
Yes, yes,
So ufika amajita uqonde first day ubuye ayafuna uzapha kanti anomdla umamela wena ba hey uthetha isimboza. Yeah, so sikhule kamnandi kanjalo but I never had a low self esteem.
Okay.
Ngomntu uthi kuba nisedolophini why ndizifeelisha ngathi I feel small.
Yeah.
Yeah, so ndikhule kamnandi kanjalo wena Vovu. So ndibuyele apha eBhayi kahle ngozofunda tertiary.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, bendisize university.
But before udlule man, phayana nje manje phaya engqushwa ngubani umuntu omkhulu. Nihleli nibangaphi ni siblings nibangaphi?
Sibathathu ekhaya mina niphakathi.
Okay.
But into eyenzeka umama wayena bayo establisher.
Okay.
So tata washiyeka.
Oh.
Yeah, so
okay.
bebesenza lo njalo. But at some point bebekwazi because bengabantu bebusiness mama bethunga.
Okay.
So bekwazi uqesha umuntu to take care of I needs zethu phayana.
Okay.
Because ungumuntu webusiness sometimes uyafuna uzothengisa inyama yakho apho kanye azothengisa senza amajemeni. So ekhaya bekuhleli nje kuyathengiswa. Icangwe lase kitchen nje livuliwe for ukuthengisa ibhombi kanye lekhese.
Sesiyibona futhi le business velaphi ngoku.
Yeah.
Seyivela. Hike xa kukhola abantu bangabana i-time ayiseBhayi oledi lingapha yana. Does it mean unazo ke siblings like apha eBhayi kaloku i-time ama-time ayohlulakala kaloku azohlala wodwa ngapha umama uyedwa ngapha yana. No akho bantu bevela ngoku.
No,
Banizi siblings.
To be honest, yeah, bakhona.
Oh bakhona?
Bakhona.
Hayi bendlala.
No, that's the truth. No, that's the truth. Bakhona yaqona. Ngeke xa umdala ukhula ayo yakho lana.
Yeah.
Ngeyakho lana ngoko. Awuzo when you welcome siblings because ni genetically ningabantu abayi-1.
Oh wow.
Yeah, idabi labazali nabazali yonto phofu mina endingenayo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kwisiblings akukhona umuntu ongisisi.
Ukhona.
Unjani yena because bona badla ngoyithatha ku heart bona lanto.
No, I think most of thina pha endlini siyafana man.
Oh khangayibona.
You can say mhlawumbe sine principles ze leadership.
Oh.
Sister wami no brother wami ezerazi ngumfundisi.
Okay.
Yeah, but so even ngosikhula it was always if kukhona abayi-12 nakunyulwe leaders uzawunyulwa nobungu-chairman nobungu-secretary. So it shows ukuthi no singaba mhlawumbe sisiphiwe don't necessarily think kuba clever. Niyakwazi uyiphiwa laa nto ye-leadership.
Hayi ndakufile. Time upho fune old age masters basekhona.
My mother is late.
Okay.
Mama soleke ngo-2010 ngala nyaka World Cup.
Oh man.
Yeah, ngo-12 kaFebruary umzali ke especially ngumama he will remember everything. Unfortunately or fortunately usoleke niphangela outside of town. Ndisebenza Alwal North. And I think it was a plan of God yoba angasoleke ngihlala naye.
Okay.
Because la attachment nala pain izaba more. So ngoku yaba easy kancinci because I was away at least for a year and a half. So uba ndiphaya ngokusengekho ingathi useBhayi. You will only feel it xa umzali wakho immediate family kanye father. Even if we are driver buela back first thing azanza ukucheck sibofikile.
Okay.
Yeah, abanye abantu brother might forget about that. I'll check after 3 days.
Uvaye njani?
Uvaye njani? So I only felt kakhulu baye lo mama akekho mama ngoba because on the first day ndibuye lapha I didn't receive the call umntwana ndicheckisa ba hey ncedisa u drive njani. Yeah. But ke sagqitha apho because xa uswelekelwe especially ngumama uye wenze investigation about that. That's what I did. And I said, man, ukufa, it's not a very, very bad thing if you go deep to understand. But ukufa is imminent. It's going to happen to all of us.
Okay.
And it's just that even if someone has passed on, doesn't necessarily mean but he can't connect with you.
Okay.
Especially parents. They've got a way to locate you, even if they're not longer here. So that's what I've discovered later. But once in a while, he gives you a message
Okay.
about certain things, even about things that are not going okay, you don't know. So hence I'm saying, kudala ngoku, so I'm fine. And the care didn't drive and lile because I understand ukufa even if ngamkhalela umuntu namtsawe so nonke umuntu
Ukhulile okhuthi uhamba nje ube
andikhe ngikhale
hayi ndithi ngoku ayisankwenzeka
aye kaloku ngoku yandikhe nje noba udlala lo gospel song aye whatever
ayithandayo yena
yeah ucinge hayi man uvela inyembezi zihle ukhale yeah but xa ufika endlini ke ngoku uzawuhlala nabanye abantu nabantwana bakho you can't try
yeah ayina time
isekhona time uphinde wathatha utata again but we are happy family mama basemakhaya bakhulisa umzi because bajonge umzi for thina all of us so xa singena at least igate ivuliwe.
Okay. Asayibulisa ithembani igama le time sayibulisa.
Mthuthuzeli Goniwe.
Okay, kuthiwa Bram 2.
Yeah, kuthiwa Bram 2.
Sakubulisa Bram 2. Yes. No enkosi manje usinike lo bag ndondo nabasengqosho befunda nawo no bayavuya. Bayakubona. Ukhona utishara oqomba hey wakunceda phayana engqosho oqomba e-primary kanye high school. Played more like a mentor yakho nje. Simnike shout out nje man.
Yeah, I will mention 3
sure.
Just and why. Yeah, I will start with a mem yakwa A, standard A.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the only class by the way that I repeated.
Oh man, udlala wenza ntoni pa?
Yeah, umemzamo. I think first year in 1987 ndandingekho focused.
Sure.
Because ndisuke by ne. Xa ndibona igusha phaa kutshiselanga ndifocus outside.
Oh man.
Ndijonge laa nto yenzeka phaa ngaphandle. Ndibe xa ukhulele ekasi akho space enough. So umntana ukhulela closer. So elalini uyakwazi ubona uba kunto yenzekayo kulaa mzi kuyaqhuma. So my focus.
Yazidlalela.
Yeah, ndiyazidlalela. I think umema wathi no. Watsho kumama wathi lo mntana kwafuneka mphindu A.
You ma'am
yeah, it was very painful.
You are
so that's what happened. But what was nice, then the following year, one nigga has a feedback. But when nigga am nigga feedback, you have done well. With numbers, but why number 4?
Okay.
I think Lando. Yandinikeza confidence because uyabona ngisayikhumbula
yebo ndothana ngibona yabona ngole niyenzeke kuwe uyayikhumbula wena
ngiyayikhumbula ya kumemzamo ya but sekhulile ngoku and the second one bengutishara Mbothuma.
Okay.
Yeah, he was not more like yena a teacher teacher but he was more into molding me into sport.
All right.
Because waye kwi-rap remember thina sihlale i-rap ngela xesha kwakudityaniswa i-whites ne-black schools.
Okay.
Yeah, but siyodlala eDaily, siyodlala eWestbourne, siyodlala eMont. So as a result sasingayazi thina xa sodlala ba xa ubona abazali phaa ematchini sicinga ba zitishara.
Oh, maphoza uqhela
ngibukela umzali wami. Mina zange ngibukele umzali wami.
So abantu baninzi bazitishara basesikoleni.
Umsicima zitishara thina. Kanti abanye baya-afford. Remember ndiwesa umntana phaa kanti mama khethu mama yakhe lo. So thina ke umzali wethu uyi-1 ngilosize naye which is in this case kutishara and nasolala kwakhe indele camp to campisha phaa and then we go to Ilani. So I think utishara Mbotumo undimoldile in terms of, because leadership xa usondiyicollecta ndiyifumene kwiindawo ezi-different esikolweni kwisport ne-exposure. I mean una-12 uyodlala eWestbourne, uyodlala eDale, zange uzive ngezo zikolo. Uyaqonda? So hence I'm saying
Okwakuhamba nihambe ngalo.
Yeah.
Nanihamba ngeteksi, ibhasi
sasihamba ngeteksi, sikwazi uhamba
Okanye ibhaki.
ibhaki
Okanye
yonke laa nto yasezilalini. But fortunately yayikhona iteksi kwaVanda, kwaTishara uVanda, sasihamba ngeeteksi zapha. And fortunately sasineplayer e-age yethu eyayibakhona kweza team.
Okay.
As a result for mna iba-advantage xa ndipikiwe, because sasikwazi ukupika sobabini no-onke. Kokwabo kumo ngcono kunasekhaya. So ndizawufuna ndiyolala lapha.
Oh man.
Ndizawubukela
Ophekwa inyama kamandi.
ophekwa inyama, ndizawubukela nedish, ubukele u-Undertake, ubukele kokwenu. Ayikho laa nto, but not kakubi, but uyaqonda
Yeah, I understand futhi.
yeah,
Awuqumbanga.
ndiqumbanga. And noba sizayolanda, noba siyadlala sawuphathela u-KFC o-separate mhlambe from le ration yesikolo.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Nondiva
so
kakuhle.
yeah,
Usekhona utishara?
usekhona utishara Mbotumo.
Tishara Mbotumo siyabulela kakhulu,
usekhona.
siyabulela.
Yeah, I think lastly ibe ngutishara Magwazi. Yeah, uProfessor Magwazi, utishara uProfessor wesiXhosa apha eStern Cape.
Wow.
IsiXhosa ke dla ngoxa ndithethayo ndithi ndazipasa ngophi isiXhosa. Ezinye chapter ndiye ndazipasa very weak.
Yeah.
But xa ndizigeyija ilevel yam of intelligence ndihlala kulaphi kaBawo Magwazi.
Okay.
So ndiqonda uba laphi i-potential yam leya.
Sure.
Yopasa enye
Bukudlala.
kudlala.
Udlala,
So
yeah.
zandipase kakuhle matric, but funny enough ndandinophi. So ndiye ndinganimjonga Magwazi. It was because of how asingena morning class, how passionate it was.
Yeah.
Nomlinganisa xa teacher, wayethanda imibongo nento. So ezo tishara zintathu zininzi ke zinye tishara, you can't count all of them, because noko esikolweni beningabantwana bahlala emva. So uba ne-relationship no tishara. Personally phofu ndiba ne-relationship nasebholeni no-ref mna. The first person I will create xa ndidlala nguref, because nguyodecide igame. Ba 50-50 uzayinika mna ifoul. Yeah, so that's how I grew up. So about tishara ke that have made impact to my life. Yeah.
Okay. Yo, yazi bangabana uveze into ezibalulekileyo ebendizithatha kancinci. Bendizithatha kancinci nyana, I don't want to lie. Utishara womntana wesikolo, not just elalini but nje noba kuphi esiya kwezi ndawo where parents bona bakhona to go and support abantwana.
Yeah.
So ungutishara, ungucoach, ukwangumzali.
Umzali.
Ufuneka zidlale zonke izinto ezibangabana funeka ndimngxose lo mbhati umse ngutata wakhe.
Correct.
Njengoba ndilapha ndingutishara ndizobhisa isikolo, but kodwa ndingucoach wakhe for uba you can do better.
Yeah.
Like ininzi into ayidlalayo utishara, and yet I don't think bayayifumana acknowledgement. So I'm happy the way oyinarrate ngakhona uyenze kahle kakhulu, and hopefully otishara bazayibona. And sithethile ngengqushwa, kaloku umakhulu wami ngosengqushwa kaloku. Hayi, so siphethe ingqushwa namhlanje.
Definitely.
So hey, thanks kakhulu man ngalonto leyo. Yampasa umatric kwabatishara ke sesidlulile kuyinto ba ucinge into obufuna yaphi and ufuna ukwenza ntoni from kwephi age, like nje mawuleqa umatric ba after matric ithini conversation yasesikolweni yechomi or PPP yoba eyanza ebhayi okanye enza ya PPP ngotishari, ithini conversation?
Yeah, I think whenever there was no real conversation like career kakhulu.
Ne?
But fortunately for us thina kwaku introduce commerce esikolweni. Commerce, business studies, accounting.
Sure.
So my brother was already doing that.
Okay.
So for me it was an obvious choice that ngizawulandela brother wami.
Okay.
And ndandenze excuse ngayo kwale issue yofunda kwesasikolo, because I was supposed to go ndiyofunda kwisikolo esincinci esasivulwa elalini.
Okay.
So I had to create excuse kumama ba i-commerce ayizubakho
All right.
and yena into ke ngoku ndandiyifuna xa ufunda e-primary you dream about high school.
Yes.
Uyobukela into ezenziwa phaa. Ufuna ufana nabantu baphaa.
Yeah.
So ndafaka nanke laa nto ekhomeni ndandingayifaki because of it was really a choice ndandifuna uba phaa emfundweni
akumandva
kakhulu. Remember emfundweni yayinezaa zikolo zazinamabhoda abantu abasuka from outside.
okay
So
Kwihostel kwaphaa.
kwihostel kwaphaa kukho into eninzi phaa so uyayazi ke indawo enjalo and abantu abaninzi so kumnandi.
bantshera yakho yapha
Hayi shere yamapha andizoyimenshina. Andizoyimenshina but I
But
did
in
have
school,
I did have a girlfriend esikolweni.
hayi
Yeah,
masikhabe
not one.
mhlawumbi yatshata ngoso nqena uyiphazamise emzini
No.
mhlawumbi umakoti wabantu
Yeah, exactly. I don't want to get the cause kaloku ngoku sibadala sininzi nje izinto. Yeah, they do the question. But ke you know as I've said besingabantu besport thina pha.
Yeah.
So bungabi nayo nentombi eyi-1. So bayazi 2 3 because you awusokoli
umuntu
kakhulu.
wesport and
Yeah.
kuyabhava and ke kuya wonke umuntu ebaleni funeka ubona pha whether if isoka usistriker
Yeah.
uskora
Hayi
hayi
ke.
ke iteam ixhomeke kuwe
Yes.
ngoku bendlala nonke xa uskora wena ngowinileyo you know
Really so.
hey tata
Yeah.
so now you come to kwephi ngoteshari ke ngoku after matric
Yeah, after matric December marks zami zingekho right ncam.
sure
And the university that we knew at the time, IP Technicon.
okay
Yeah, I went to be Technicon. Ndabhala to test phaa.
all right
Kwi-test oyinikwayo phaa funeka ubhale isiNgesi. Assignment. I remember the assignment. It was into ye-advantage ye-machinization. Into yomashini sasingayazi most.
Okay.
Unikwa i-assignment ukudlalini. Xelela uba i-advantage yomashini emine. Awazi kwaloo mine. But to tell you the truth, kwakubhalwa masipha i-results uyazijonga phaa ku-notice board and the BTech side, not the college side. And I realized hayi igama lam alivelanga. Yabo, which means nditshonile. And hayi nam ndiyazazi laa nto bendiyibhala. Because kaloku remember awukho ready socially awukho kulaa level you understand uba kwenzeka ntoni apha yabo you are shocked yingca kwayingca
Bayekuhle apha. Ledeska behleli kuyo hey kuright
and nabantu abalapha I remember the first time ndisiya phaa ndandingayazi masibhede ngondikhe ndihlala apha ebhayi
Yes.
ndikhwele iteksi ke ngophayeza ndibuza wenye out uba ibhide ke ndawoni hayi ndixelele lapho kodwa yahla kulaa ndawo ndakrwecwa ngonye umama athi ndiza kubonisa yabo baklinayo
yeah yathini yona vela thini go
hayi leyanjonga nje le eqala hayi ndifikile ebhayikile hayi kodwa la mama ndibonisa yehlike hamba nami kule gate yahamba which means izixelele uba ibhari yaphi le and ke ndingazoyazi campaign into zakhe
kangakanti ngutsotsi kwawena uyambuzisa
but
nje
ndatshona itest but fortunately for me and ndandizawufunda into endandingafuni uyifunda ba
if awuthathiwe
if ndandithathiwe
if awupaselana
yes ndandingayifuni uyifunda laa nto
sure
so it was a blessing in disguise.
Yeah.
I went to Russell and that's for school nafika ukugcwela ndilikwala manje ndilikwala
okay
hey ndahava ngabantu bakuthiwa kukho isikole i-better stop
all right
so I went there ke ngoku ndafika iiklasi eziqalile ndaregistra very quick ndangena e-lecture room and fortunately some of the guys as the friends zami ngabale ndadibana nabo in that class.
oh
Yeah, even the lecturer uSneyman is working at MMU now. He's we're still friends.
oh man
So-
yabakhumbula wena ungumuntu ogcinayo ne
Yeah, no, I do.
mamele ke ngoku xa into imbi uyayigcina like isenba okwenza into ezipositive so inqalo binayo ba le yakhe yandivimba isonka le ndifuna uyibona
Yeah. No,
Awukho kwezi-
andingomntu ndingumntu ocinga ndingaze xa ndizidefine I'm an abundance thinker. Ndicinga more positive.
all right
I'm wired like that because there are two people. It's either uyi-urbanist thing okanye sesigashithi think
Oh,
uyabo uqolele ulambu une-10 rand
ucinga bayenzi
ucinga ngomso mna ndinalani ba there will be more tomorrow that's who I am.
hayi noba wena xa uvusa bakuthengwe izinto sanuwala gents masibetheni itafile bayigcwale.
Yeah, you know, okay, funny enough, what happens is that clown, you do that once, bakuvusela abantu after that.
Oh wow.
They look for you.
Okay,
I was joking about
because-
that in Motherwell because they remember what you've done for them. You know, benefisho ku was in the location others weekend ezinye out ezifuna beer kum Disney ndithi hayi guys kukhona abafuna undithengelela lento nina ndiyithengela nini qha that's how life works.
Yeah.
So in life you balance.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, mamile nguphi lo mnyaka uyangawo pha? Dan Russell mna ngo96, 97. Yeah, I think ezo two. Yeah. 1997 kumpa but mina sendirongo ke ngoku.
Yeah.
Amosha.
Mna ndiye I think go 2000 metric pase go 99.
Okay.
Yeah, and the duration yala curriculum business management 2 years.
Oh.
And the 18 months experience. Fortunately ke tina we got the land appointment singakagqibi.
Wow.
Yeah, we're in one of the firms, let's say Utnik, big firm inside VW and Zimon. So I test to pass. Sing because of the potential that we have. Sasi badala ngoku. And then
Hey.
saspasa ke ngongela xesha. Then so test so I worked ke ngoku I think 2002 busy ke ne internship yami ndisebenza our finance. Badala flight as
Wow.
containers bonayo yabe iparts masezama besuka ko Brazil, Germany and so on. That was the first exposure ke yo bathe planting. Fortunately sifike uyazi sastrike sase VW sasingo 2000 safike emva kwathi but thina singekho se planting.
Kwakusa strike sikhulu.
Kwakusa strike sikhulu se abantu
Kwatendwa abantu.
kwatendwa abantu kwangena more young people.
Okay.
Even at factory.
Okay.
But thina sasise ku-administration.
Okay.
As a result abantu ababe ku-admin ngela xesha abamnyama yingabantu abakwazi ukuthetha i-Afrikaans. Yingeyo ongakho qualification yoba nokune become so sifikele kuwo ke ngoku une computer yakhe phayi yaba ufuma sexesha uyastruglisha no attach email mos yezenza imali xesha lesithina sike safunda bayi attach so angaba umuntu uyakwazi ungayazi baku-attach kanjani i-document.
Udibene no-attacha wena eBethesda.
Ndidibene nawe eBethesda.
Mamela ke asinokwazi udlula kulena ipart. I am so happy into ba ubuye eTVET College. And I'm so happy you are narrating into yoba straight after phayana wabesofumana isibhalo.
Yeah, labese ndifumana.
So for the longest time ne yenziwe city sibaninzi so asizublame umuntu ngoku. Into yoba siyenze iuniversity into enkulu for uba abantwana bonke baba depressed xa bengathathwanga iuniversity.
Correct.
And ngoku xa izawuthunyelwa eTVET ufuna explain umntana pha kutshomi zakhe ba uza eUCT uzawuthini, then they end up missing the opportunity of being there.
Correct. So
Yeah, so I'm so happy man into ba inganga bamba se TVET bakubhukisha yoba sispeaker. Bakubhatale futhi.
yeah, no. You know, Lenny, very serious because zininzi group as a university. Usukela uqala kule minyaka uyibalayo. Mninzi and fumanisa bekho dissatisfied because they say umuntu uzathi galanyaka ndandifunde endaweni ethile. Kuye at least wayethachile.
Yeah.
But ingaske siya understand into ba especially ngoku boy child you don't see them at university. Ungayana kwephi abantwana bafana university go 5%, 10%.
Bambala pepa.
Abantu bagcwalise pha abafocus ngabantwana abangamantombazana. So i-college is mna ke I always say it was blessing in disguise. That because that end and fund abroad and specialize. I always say don't specialize too quick.
Okay.
Yeah, but funda low subject line. Uthi later on you specialize mhlawumbe in accounting, in tax, in retail. Remember esikolweni ungena university ungena ngepoints.
Sure.
28 points. So if you below 28 points, the chances uzawufunda i-course engazoba na-opportunities. Because nibaninzi pha.
Sure.
Benza ukuthi basesixhosa inhlambo ofela amahashi e-course leya.
Okay.
Wonke umuntu uyawuxhomeka kaba how skillful you are to navigate i-market. Because ke ungaqeshwa based on your capacity as an individual, personally, not the qualification. Because qualification is one tool, but your personality, it's another.
Sure.
So sometimes you need a good mix of personality, and you can be a good accountant, but wrong personality.
Yes.
Good lawyer, wrong personality. When a personality, right, you don't have qualifications.
Like mna ndine personality, and then as a photographer I'm busy.
You're busy
because of personality yam.
Exactly.
So
and you are learning ngoku. Remember, xa u-active in a business, kune-capacities ezingapha kwe-university qualification that you will gain.
Yeah.
Laa nto uyayazi.
Yeah.
Omnye umuntu uzayoyifunda.
Yeah.
So laa nto it's very difficult to speak like this language, because xa uthetha ngomntu ngathi it's a must that you must go to school. It's not a must, but you must improve your knowledge.
Okay.
Whether uyifumene njani,
Yeah.
mhlawumbe ngumechanic, uyifumene kumalume. Just make sure that you improve, commercialize esa skills kamalume the best that you can.
No, thanks. But ndifuna la part yoba if ukhomntu TVET college obukeleyo obeqomba ihayi yena uba angaya or not. So I'm excited ba wena wenze up and ude wathi wena ngoku nisafunda sebe ready for nina.
Yes.
Sebe ready for nina.
Bazone tester.
Yes.
I-competencies zakho.
Wow.
Like mathematics, accounting, ubala, and so on and so on. It's not like it's a blanket approach, but you're still going to be tested.
Sure.
Uba against ezo nto zibeka sizazi nosasitestwa against what, but sabhala kwathiwa
jonga ngonyafika phayana kukho abantu bangakwazi no-attacha ku-email nina seniyenzile esikoleni. Can you see how serious it is and that i-practical kangakanani into obusuka phaya e-TVET ungena kwi-work nantsika space we are able to ba uqhube. That is why ne-companies they bayavuya to have umuntu abangazumfundisa a lot. Baza kufundisa nje i-culture nento ezincinci but bayazi ba khona into eninazo but bazazi bathi apha thina this is how we do izinto but abakufundisi ukuba yenziwa njani yonke cha bakubonisa nje bathina silapha siyenza njani na. So thanks kakhulu ngalo part. Kanjani ke nge-VW?
Hey, VW was a nice experience and a difficult experience for upcoming young black in the office. Because remember, we question things. You're young, you're vibrant. Yeah, and even apartheid and other things, you don't know them practically in the firm. Because for finance, they were old white people.
Yeah.
And there is a line of finance if you're dealing with invoices. So if there's a mistake, chances are they will want to locate it with you. But because you know you're smart, you will investigate and say, no, this mistake was not done by me. Look at this. So they didn't like things like that. I remember one of the what? Hey, I don't think also I saw it up. Was I go back at? I can't we have both. Yeah, so, and I'm thinking about man, and he's not asking that inside. He's asking me for a pan.
Okay.
And then I called about hey, if Lotata that I'm looking up to and defend, and the more I can have power to do that.
Oh man.
So I'm on my own. And my contract was never extended. Yeah, and that was an end. Yeah, but I remember when says power Sasevana and when we and envelope if I get 300 as a
Extra.
That's what she can do. We are talking about you were good here. I can't employ you, but get this money, and
Oh
leave.
man, oh man. Jonga khuluma saphinde ibone time leyo kwakhona.
Eh?
Zange uphinde ibone ever time
No,
kwakhona.
andiphinde ndibabone.
Eh asaboni ubona uzawuthini.
Mhlawumbi uyandibona yena, but azange ndibone, and I live and I understand then, but hey no, we are in trouble. We are on our own as young black young. Remember this thing of coming from the college, it follows you.
Sure.
Because there were two groups of students there, from university and from college.
How? Say that one, Dinomdla.
Yeah, you remember there was 2020, ne? 20, they have more benefits. They even had a trip you overseas, boy.
I was university.
I was university.
Wow.
Yeah, so this thing we have created ourselves, Lay universities, Netting College. We treat university bad.
Lena ndithethayo ba nathi
You know, the
siyenzile.
culprit.
Yes, siyenzile nathi.
Yeah, utubuzwe esikoleni ba ufunda buthe ufunda picnic. Abuzwa noma ufunda ntoni. Ufunde.
Okay. Ilapho.
Yeah. Abona ufunda buthe ufunda. I remember mkhona umakhulu andibuza lona pha ere. Ufunda phi? Ndamxelela. Ndabona ufuna uhamba kwalapha ecangwa. Because
Daniel.
Yeah, uDaniel. Noma hey, this potential is wasted. Yeah, so I guess ke bayazi yenziwa indla ngoxa ndithetha ke na ku youngsters ngodithi it's because of the democracy is too young, especially at that time. 30 years is not long. It depends how you look at it. 30 years, you know, when it comes to see la wenza kumzekelo ndithi singekamboni umuntu ozalwayo kule democracy aye kwipension afunda university asweleke kwakule democracy one asikayiboni democracy.
Oh, okay.
Because iyo la muntu xa pension ngoku ne engahlali ixesha elidala umnyasweleke because he's not coping, akanayo confidence ongaphangeli. Here, when I say let's support entrepreneurship because that's the best, because you don't retire there. Yeah, but you upscale and give people, and the confidence might not be dented if you succeed. But the working system, you after figure 65, you go offload, and you know, the country is not ready to deal with you because I can't cool land. The country itself is new to understand the output because le 30 years can't equals land because abantu bayathi democracy udala le 30 years, but the question is that what are we doing? Are we improving in the college, technical colleges? Are we getting better results? Bawunoya ngoko esikoleni itooling abayisebenzisayo, is it the right one? Government, we invested the right tools because the computer was the right tool, but the computer le ifakwe disk ayisasebenzi ngoku. Floppy disk. Yeah, but I don't want to off ramp, but I'm very passionate about this thing. 30 years of democracy in Indoba, it should be tested 30 years and 30 years so that sometimes we need to fail certain things so that we really learn. Because if we fail into awufundi into ncane
khona nalonto le
yeah
kuthiwa ufumana kakhulu kulena into ye wafeyila kuyo more than le uye wayibetha kakuhle.
Yeah.
Hey, so after VW
I was unemployed for a year. I went to Cape Town.
Ufumana gap year.
Yeah, and I've made Cape year. I remember I went to Cape Town after Easter. Remember I told you I was a sport person.
Sure.
So at that time, there was a hope that I can make it as well. In professional, soccer. So I took my CV and my soccer boots.
All right.
Then,
for ubudlala must
no, I've been done. We can go to.
Umuntu ocinga ba angayodlala like after 20 like good long.
No, I was there. So I was there to go on trials and all of that. But that didn't work out. Because I played in Cape Town. I had 2 teams. Yeah, I played this. And in Cape Town, they give you money for games.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so, but I think Cape Town was too much for me. A lot of drinking, a lot of, everything was just a lot. And then in December, I decided, no, man, I went actually for driver's license.
Okay. Learners.
I went to in a wrong day. Ndangesuku egqithile license yami. Beliyobhala ngalo. Yeah, I came back pha. Yabuya kwakweza phone uSelsi. Ndafonela ekhaya mama esaphila. Ngathi ulady ngicela undifakele imali man. Ndiyabuya eKapa ngoku.
Oh man.
Ndaqonda akhonda ulungayo. Leya it was the last signal.
Yeah.
I walked ke ngibuyela endlini umalume ndafika sefonelwe ngumama ba hey ncede uyabuya kwenzeke ntoni andibuza umalume hey mthani khona sikwenzeke ndani malume anindenza ngani niphethe kakuhle gqithi
Sure.
cha it's my decision
Yes.
nemali ndifakwe ndiyabona ubomi bami ngoku ngapha buphelele ndiyavaya labhukisha itiketi ndanhlani cousin yami nayo nomakazi sobanikhapha angakhondo.
Oh wow.
I left. That's by December. Ndayinqushwa. No, ndane 15 rand qha in my pocket. 15 rand fika kwami. And ekhaya came back. Fortunately for me, I decided to go to school at the school that I was studying at. Better stop. Let me go there. There was a guy, Dean Somerset. He was a sport officer. He used to like me. So I was a captain of the university college as well. So I was there to volunteer myself so that we can work together. He was not there. He was moved to Vets at that time. But fortunately, I was given somebody's number.
So usuke eKapa waseBhayi.
Ndisuke eKapa ndaseBhayi. Ndayinqushwa ngoDisemba ndabuya ngoJanuary.
Okay.
On a Monday, every Monday, I will go to places, agencies looking for jobs.
Wow.
You see, because I love to read papers. I'll go to the library first. If I don't go to library on Wednesday, it's either Wednesday or Monday. You see, I look for mine and then I travel. But on that particular day, I decided to go to Pedestop. And I must keep somebody's number and where he's working. Errol Hayes, go and look for this person. He was a director at Comsec at that time. If you know Comsec.
Comsec.
Ndathunyelwa phaa
Phaa izange ngasemangcwabeni.
Ngasemangcwabeni. Ndafika ngo-11 phaa. That's why immediately from esikolweni ndayapha. Xa ndifika phaa ndithi hey I'm looking for Errol Hayes. Kwichapel eklinayo apha phandle. Yandijonga le point ndiqonda you're looking for who? Like it's a big shot there. Fortunately when I'm entering inside, go ndimfuna kanti uyandiva. And who's looking for me? No, it's me, sir. What do you want? I just took my CV and the letter that I wrote. Said, I'm looking for a job. He looked at that thing. I only knew that my surname worked for me that day. I knew after 6 years that the biggest thing that helped me on that day was my surname, Koni.
Yeah.
You know. He was a comrade.
At that time,
I know, because na CVW, they will ask me.
Okay.
Up until I research who is this guy, I know.
So,
But it was not something that I was interested in. Up until I knew after 6 years that the reason why Errol was looking at my letter, and he made copies himself. So he made copies, and he said, we don't have a job for you. You don't have experience. We're looking for someone who's got 5 years experience.
Yes.
I said, I can try. He asked me a question I didn't know that you are paid here.
Until you can try, then I'll pose the question why
I didn't know. I let text at the end of the lab. And I joked, I said, if you can tell me tomorrow, I will know. Then I left. But after 2 days, I was phoned to come and assist one of the guys who proprietors by outreach. One of the greatest soccer players, senior practice, the Leeds. You know, I'm mentioning him because I didn't know that he was so popular. Every person that I spoke to in your pride, when I say I know Paito, he look at me. Sometimes when your journey is prophesied by God, he bring people that are important to you. You don't know. So I didn't know that. I only saw in his funeral that He actually
yhu ngokundikulile ugqibenza athi kuye hama funeka aze apha lo mntu.
no, so in his funeral actually that hey I was sitting with Teenage Rara of New Brighton all this time because we were working in the outreach program. He is friends with Abo Kutwayo Head Bush, all of these guys. But fortunately for him, he was not in that level. But every time when they do things, even when we sit at office, they will get him lunch. And I'm thinking, why this guy, his friends,
Bemnika amapapa kangaka.
and all of that. So that's how I got at Comsec. Okay. Started there
Okay.
as a person that doesn't have any portfolio. I was actually sitting outside the main office. My computer was not connected in the internet
Okay.
for a year. My computer was there to punch on Excel how many people have you seen a caravan in, you know. But the following year, fortunately, I was appointed as a cadet, as an intern, permanent intern for 24 months. And then what I will mention is that in that internship, is 20 that you must read and write a book report. Whatever you do, you must write it to a report. I think that molded me because the culture of reading to me was intensified. So from there, of many permanent, I became a permanent advisor. So my life changed altogether. I traveled, like I remember my first flight going to Pretoria in the first year that I'm working at Com. So to me, uhlale hotel, ukhwela flight, that was a success, not for me, for family.
Kwasefemelini.
Kwasefemelini.
Uxoxwa ngayo efemelini.
Efemelini.
Nivile ngosithi bangabana ukhwelile.
Uflayile.
Yes.
Usegautini. Yaphana ngishiya nalo flight because ikude airport.
Oh man.
Nokukhwela itekisi kabini.
Yo.
Yeah, but fortunately, I qualified. I took back for a week with him. So from Comsec, the lot happened because I went to banking after that.
Okay.
Stayed 6 years at Comsec. I went to banking. Say 9 more.
Oh wow.
Yabo ndithathe amaplanga ke pha Comsec ndakhe neroom yami back
Okay.
yabo mine buzwa pha amaplanga uzawathini. Remember nisuke eKapa ndineskill endisifumene pha
Sure.
so ubethelele that's bethelele lawo. Yeah, and later on ngosenphangela I went to Cape Town on holiday where I was staying. I wanted to say thank you to those people.
Yeah.
Because
Oh,
I
man.
didn't want how that chapter was closed.
Yes.
Yeah. So it's good that I'm talking about it because each journey, I will tell you maybe why. Yeah, because the journey, you undermine it, your journey, because you was born as nobody. And the crown, awuyiboniswa mase uba uzawuphelela phi uzaba yini yabo. But at some point before I started my business, I started a book, writing a book. The book that, I didn't say I want to write a book. I dreamed about it. Ndavuka ndayibhala and I phoned one of my friends. It even has a title, you see. And that book, some of the attributes of the business, it's not me. It's from that book, but I didn't understand because it title said the truth and the journey of Ncedisakoni. Yeah, I took the last part as my as my brand. But I said, I don't know any journey about me and there's no truth about me that must be told to anyone who I am. So, but I was reminding my friend last week on a phone call, because sometimes the phone won't where there was a zero, there was nothing. I'm from the episode, I'm noted, I noted it, you know. And most of the things that started to happen, when I didn't buy, I had to start, things started to open a little bit. And the notice on him was delay. Focus on this thing. There is a genuine truth that must be told. about you, but you keep on undermining this thing that we're telling you. Yeah, but I'm giving you because of we're talking about this thing as a Cape Town. Yeah, but it's part of the journey. That I'm not going to get a job in Cape Town. Yeah, when that's how by.
Yeah.
Because part of what I did in the last 20 years is to help people than to help myself.
Oh wow. Inkulu lonto ayikho ncinci. Yazi la piece yoba ngabana ubone bakubi uba mawuthi mawugoduke ayikho ncinci lonto. Yilena kabantu basephambili mina ke ngikanguye nomshumayeli mina. Ngiphaphile mina into zami. Ndalunga phambi na. Unyana olahleko. Unyana olahleko kaloku lichele lomntu wonke. Akho umuntu ngamazi unyana olahleko. Sihamba nayo unyana olahleko sonke. But it's important indoba majority yabantu abaninzi they go through lonto.
Yeah.
Yoba umuntu athi hey ayisundimi lona. Yabo so kuye it could have been indoba ukutya kweyahakho acinga ekhaya kunjani. So wena uqonda ba usekapa apha but ekhaya engqushwa ku right.
All right.
Like I'm more safe ekhaya engqushwa than being in this big city. I'm lost here.
Yeah.
I want to go home.
Yeah.
Like I call ba I call it better.
Yeah.
Uyayibona ba it is better.
Yeah.
You know, so that one is very powerful, admittedly. And the reason why the city powerful, we have sisters, brothers, abastak at Joburg. Life is hard. Basekapa, basedeben. But in abayicingayo inansika zethu bazawuthini bye. Even wile phayana bazathi ndiwile. Kanti yes kanti xa ezile uzawufumana amandla kokwabo for ba enze better ke ngoku. So thanks for sharing that part. Xa ngoma ndiyayifuna manje uyi-highlight ndoba inkulu laa nto uyenzileyo and sifuna nomntu oyoung ubune chance to go back home. Go back home asithi uya permanently uzawufika uphinde ufumana amandla phinde uye uphinde wenze because siyaphikelela. It's Phikelela podcast. It means about you persevere. Like akho smooth. Akho mntu uza apha bekulula. Like udlule ezintweni umuntu but now we are here ngoku. So thank you for sharing that part. Man ke ndiyitatshe nje kancinci. Now ngoku iweske nje muthethe ke mna ndisendikulindile ba waphupha mina ngisengilinde ba ungathi uphuphula uthi lithonga. Ndikulindele pha ba uzawuthi lithonga ntontoni basho ke labantu bephuphile ba uzathi hayi ke ndathini ayikho njalo kuwe.
No, I don't see it that way.
Okay.
I don't see it that way. But I see it as a spiritual thing, but I don't give it a specific definition.
All right.
But for me,
okay.
Spirituality and religion are not the same.
Okay.
Spirituality, and spirituality zethu different indlela kuza communicate ngayo. Communicate uhamba.
Okay.
Ungayifumana message through a child, whatever.
Sure.
Okanye ungayifumana through ba ube nengxaki ubetheke. La nto kubethileyo it was your savior.
All right.
So andifuni ke ba 8:55 categorize
Okay.
ba ayiphiphi but mna I know there's signals zami ndiyazazi ba le signal ithetha nami le.
Okay.
So I knew then that this one I must note it down.
Okay.
Yeah, so I na definition enoyilallocate kuyo ndithi hayi lithongo kanye idoni wena for angifuni confuse abantu. Yeah, but dinezinto that I listened to. Yabona ngoko enye yezinto enzenzileyo is to understand myself awareness.
Yes.
Because when you run a business, you need to be aware of who you are. Because there are too many challenges. But if you don't know who you are, you won't deal with them. But if you know and what are my limitations, what are the limitations and is because remember, the limitation was now, but ikhona no inikwa ngabantu. But I also succeed when because was okay. Okanye ngwakulondo. So one of the key things ezincedileyo mna in this journey, because remember lena ndiyiqala ngaphambi kune-challenges everywhere, you know, but because abantu abayibone le nto intsha, you will be challenged, yabo, because le nto ayikho, yabo. Ndidlawenza umzekelo nge-Henry Ford, the first guy wenza imoto, uba wenza imoto ungekho ndlela, yabo.
Yho, khange ndicinge lo part.
Wenza imoto and abantu babuzawuhamba le nto, yabo.
Hey, khange ndicinge.
Yeah.
Ngoku uSandra Lukhupha uspend
Oh,
ii-billions
yeah.
endleleni.
Endleleni.
Hey, hayi,
Yeah, so as you can see, the reason because of he was self-aware, he knew what he wanted to handle. He was not, there's a proposal as I want to raise my mainland. Yeah, well. So now, when I started this business, it was difficult in the first year to cope, even with the attention that you're getting. And then you're asking yourself, why these people, you don't understand what we have started. Abantu they understand it better and bayakoyikisa ke ngoku.
Okay.
Up until ke ngoku nami I become mentally prepared and ready to face this. I remember my first day to launch this sound that based on Herald. That was unvume for about 5 hours because it's so eager, but I haven't started anything mna. Bengenza bendlala. But they said, come, just come. We just want to take a photo. I ended up doing an interview. And abacela bangayibhali le interview ngelihlobo bazibhala ngale zitori zabo. Bayibhale as a launch because andifuni bengathi ndine company. Well, also uyabuza how many people have you employed? Next and registration at that point. So, but ngoku ndigqithile kula level. And kula level difficult ngokuba bengekho self aware benza ndilonely. Gogo akhola hype. It's you that must just sell, Gogo.
Okay.
Gogo, there was a hype that there's entry, this entry. And you get sales sometimes because of that. Not because of they want to test it, they emotional as well, the clients. They want to buy. And then after that, once the reality sinks, it's no longer have that same emotion about this legal business that has started in Motherwell. But because of now I'm aware of myself and what I've started and why. Yeah, but awareness what one got setting abilities because there are three things. It's awareness, it's ability, and then it's the last one is more it's choices.
Okay.
Like without these three things, the choices can go day to day. How responsible are you? What is your attitude? How spiritual are you? How productive you are? By the success, you must do this, go there. Not everyone can do that in one day. But if you are self-aware, you know your potential and your capabilities. If your choices are wrong, you might not grow. Because I go to that formula if they are badges. Because capacity can only improve if these three are talking in day one. Even if we improve on 0.2% every day. Yeah. Well, in bakhona and the more capacity yakho inyuka uyisolve ngcono. Ungokuxelelwe ingxaki ukungathi calm awukho calm but your mental strength is able to cope with the tsunami. Bayicimba itsunami uqonda wena internally hayi ngawuthishana naye le. So
Okay.
Yeah.
So sorry, inansika ke ngoku sasingenile esihlangweni. Sikuvile uhambe phi wathini and hayi uyafana nathi ngoku. Ngoku hayi man kwenze kanjani wena ucinga njengathi uhamba kwendawo sihamba kuzo sisela into ezifanayo. Ithi liphupho eli lidibenise nesihlangu ndifuna nje that first thought into ba wena ujonge umuntu ubona inyawo lakhe uba Thixo ligosa inyawo likabani. Hey uphila ujonge uba hey gosa incinci inyawo likabani. Hey ubani uyathinthini iza njani kuwe loo nto leyo ba you would want to start a brand.
Yeah, hey, it's a combination of things. I'll mention one or two.
Sure.
But why this idea? Remember, in the 7 ideas
Sure.
where I work,
Sure.
and I'm passionate about transforming an idea into an opportunity. Because I always advocate the idea, your opportunity.
Okay.
But but in every idea, you need to define, but where is an opportunity?
Okay.
And unfortunately, you use that true numbers, nothing else.
Okay. Okay.
So benifunda masti buyele esikolweni.
All right.
There's a postgrad, gqibelisa is a masters.
Yeah. Hey, sipho senjani lo part?
Yebo.
So sigqibile pha then sabe ubuyele phi?
Ndibuyele esikolweni qale business school apha eNMU.
All right.
I didn't finish there
Okay.
because of issues ezikhoyo. Diamond course iseseMonti ngoku.
Okay.
I was one of the first students.
Okay.
Ngoku efika apha eBhayi.
Oh.
Kwakucelwe mna uba mandiyothetha kwi-orientation.
Hayibo.
As a result, I became a lecturer. But my lecturing gig there at main course ngoku ingekabikho into e-online ngoku.
Okay.
Yabo. So ugqiba kwami ke ngoku ndiyazehla ngwe. I think la void yofunda yosebenza kakhulu yandenza ingqondo yami yangathi ngoku khona ndiyenzayo. So I wanted to do something. And then nezo ne-challenges zami where I'm working. I wanted something as a outlet so that I start something. Actual fact, when I started, we were just playing with it. Yeah, because my model was not to start a factory, even today. My model is not to start a factory. My model is to sell shoes.
Okay.
You see? But fortunately, at that point, my business is based on building relationships
Okay.
with particular factory so that I can have a direct production line.
Okay.
So fortunately at that point, I had a partner that was willing to do that.
Eqaleni.
Eh?
Eqaleni kokho partner.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Even now, what now has happened is that the partner, I've rediscovered that I mustn't have one partner.
Oh.
I must have a number
All right.
of partners for different styles.
All right.
You get me?
Sure.
And that model, I took it from one of the well-known shoe companies in the world.
Oh.
It's a true study in case studies. That
Okay.
these guys, they own the brand. They don't own the machinery. You see? And then I asked myself why I can't do it. You see? As a result, we started this shoe. Ngesinye isihlongo apha bathi xa besibiza ngani ngamadonki. Where I bought the first shoe.
Okay.
What I decided, okay, once siyenze sample, senza amasihlangu. Sayiwanda sifake ebhotini. Sasibhalwe inside goniwe, outside NG.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I knew that, hey, I don't want to take photos of this show using my phone. I'm going to speak one of my guys there, Umnana, to take photos of this show. Sahlala pa Friday, we drinking sa-40 isihlangu with 2 hours. And on Sunday, he posted the show. That's how the business was launched.
Wow.
Herald saw that post, and out of that post, the first order, it was about 12 shoes,
Yo.
1.5, and the first 12 people paid cash at 1.5.
Wow.
So I had a legal capital to start with, you see? And it's people that knows me, first people.
Okay.
Yeah, and you know, from there, this thing went viral. Fortunately, we met. There is the coffee shop that I always go to, because that time it was during COVID, level 4. But there is this coffee shop that I always go to, and I always see Umafa Bavuma there. So we ended up talking about this thing. And then we took a photo, one photo, and then he posted it. And then the relationship of being an ambassador was born from there. And he also got other business because of that. Because other people will say, we want you to do what you're doing with NG.
Yes, ovuleka na for it.
Yeah, and now at the invoice. It might be that when we started, me and him, we were playing about it. Because We know each other. We're trying everything that we can. We are leveraging on the relationship that we have. Yeah. So that's how. But now we have sold shoes now. This shoe each and every province.
What?
Ayikho province ingenayo NG.
Oh wow. Oh
Yeah,
wow.
today. So that's what we're prouding ourselves. Sithi babe kulight ebusuku. I lied to NG me pha phezulu. You could see lights at least corner Free State.
Ukhona ingqusho?
A lot. No, a lot.
Ndavuya.
No, abantu baseNgqusha they very supportive. People that are close to me. Remember when I started, I didn't want to sell to friends because yathi enye to me mna ndinxibe isihlalo sibhalwe wena. Ndathi kuya mthanam andithengiseli wena.
Asikalo jobule atutsha lo mntu lo.
I understand about mentally wayephi la mntu. Kaloku laa nto uqhele unxiba loo brand yakhe.
Yeah.
Unalani uba you.
Hayi, sichike lesintwana yena.
Yeah, ndinxibe. But fortunately the guy bought the shoe at the end.
Oh, I guess akubulele.
Ingeka registeration. Kaloku umntu akayazi ba wena wenza ntoni. What is this thing that you abanye bayayazi. Most people abayaziyo ngabantu abakwi-business. I remember getting a phone call from one of the friends. It's a guy. You know what you have started? Don't tell me how much you're making, how much you're losing. The fact that yakho, yabo.
Oh man. Yeah.
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 Yakho le. It's a legacy project. Yoba unganibaliseli ngamanani bonke ndiyawazi amanani awamahlanga. Because uyaqala which is right.
Ndiyavuya nami xa uthi umention uba nami ndathenga.
Yeah, you know when I was tenga and ndaphinda ndayiposta la photo yakho. Because photo are very important.
Yeah.
Remember your brand is growing, ne?
Yes.
People now, because no, it was 3 years ago, but you only see the picture now.
Oh wow.
You see, so a picture, remember brands are growing, but you don't notice. Even when you're sleeping at night, they grow. We're hiking from one another, we are moving like that. So I did hike to your brand.
So andiyazi noba mhlawumbi nabaphulaphula bayafuna basibuye nje kule part yoba you've decided about you want to shoe i-design. Take us through into yoba udecide njani into yoba ngabana uzawufuna into yoba isneaker soba smart. Kukhona laa nto uba ngabana lena ngeyobaleka, lena ngeyonxiba nje casual, lena ngeyothinthini. So ezo zinto zenzeke njani kuwe? And how do you decide into yoba le izawuba comfortable? How do you decide into yoba ngabana xa umuntu enxibe esi sihlangu akazuba nantsika ebuhlungu? Kukhona into ezinjalo zoba ngabana ungasuwishi into yoba heyi hayi ngokunyawo lam likekele ngenxa yento ntoni. Ngasinika nje i-detail around phayana ba nendawo oqonda ba awuna firm singathela lula thina sithi thina hayi bo ungaye eChina ufike eChina ade atsho umuntu exethe ba suka ezi brands ezi zikwi-garage A1 so kulaa kona yiloo brand ndingabizi ngegama nangapha so zonke zenziwa apha uyabona kwindawo eyi-1. So uqale njani wena uba ngabana uqonda ba heyi nantsi idea nenza sidizayina ngokwam. And then izawuthi material nizayisebenzisa then lena kuzawukwazi uphuma umoya okanye le izawuthi ungasinga nje.
Yeah, I must be honest, I didn't know much about shoes. But what was always in my mind was to be in fashion.
Okay.
Because of home, because of my mother was a fashion designer. Was also an instructor. So sadla ngophatha impahla thina siye eholweni for fashion show impahla ezithungwe ngumama. So isihlangu, but I didn't have a shoe, but what I know is that fashion is into ezawuconsume forever and amen. Yeah. So I've said I was fortunate enough to work with a guy that was working for Gucci in Italy.
Oh.
Yeah. So the technical side I didn't know.
Okay.
The technical side was known by these people that I'm working with.
Okay.
Now, and I'm not apologetic about that. Zenziwa nguwe, yes, zenziwa ndim. Okay. Ukuyenza into doesn't necessarily mean you must do it yourself, but it should be your arrangement that I want this person to do this for me.
All right.
Yeah, that's how we started. And I didn't start with sneakers. Sneakers, I had to look, because I'm learning shoes now. When I look at shoes now, I've got an interest.
Okay.
Some of the ideas came from clients, but if you can change that sneaker and remember there is that sneaker that is red, white and red with something.
Right.
Somebody told me, we were in there, he showed me other people saying, if you can do this in your sneaker, he giving me ideas, I'm noting them. So this product I'm developing as I'm looking at the market and trends, because now I've got responsibility to start the shoe making backwards. I didn't know that how you study shoe, but I had to start to say, the shoes are being coded. Remember a shoe, you need to cut it and then put it in a paper and with different size. Because size 9 is got centimeters as a different, and not anyone can okay that. There is a specific company that can okay the coding so that it limits the risk of if it's size 9 and then that size 9 is creating injuries.
Okay.
You see, so I had to learn that from somebody else. Even the person that we were working with, some of the things about this is not
didn't know.
yes. And one of the things that I wanted is that we use a local. When I say local, I don't say PE. I say South Africa.
Africa.
Yeah, because we were using, especially initially, cow skin. Isikhumba esisenkomo.
Oh, okay.
Yebo.
Oh, cow skin. Okay.
Cow skin sebenzisa isikhumba esisenkomo. I remember ndiseradweni pha kumhlobo wenene ndicacisa le ndifonelwa ngabantu. Uphuma kwami kule show, I think I had about 102 messages. Xa ndiphuma ndifonelwa ngomnye umuntu uthi ulusi undivuyela le nba le esihlangu sisenziwa ngenkomo ndiyolusile ngoku le nkomo bendingayazi ba le nkomo you can do anything about ngaphandle kwenyama. You know, so wabona la nto man uhleli ngabe lusikisike la myaqoma akazuyiyeka le nto ayimamele eradweni uzayifona andinike le message. Hence ke I'm saying I'm proud that the product that we're making iyenziwa ngezinto zalapha ekhayeni.
Yo, ndiyavuya nova nalo part ngoku because abantu bakwa-agriculture bayazi kuthiwa thina ke iinkomo okanye imfuyo sithanda uyibukela asenzi into ngayo, you know. So ngoku you are also saying ba niyayisebenzisa, so it's necessary.
Yeah.
Necessary. Okay. Hey tata, sendivuyela nale detail indlela obetha ngayo. Sesivile into yoba uqale ngexesha laka COVID. So sikunyaka we-6 ngoku usenzeka. And sesiyibona ba imile. Ulapha ngoku, I'm looking at this and this I see ingena anzisebenzisa ezinye brands but ndiyibona izizo.
Yeah.
Izizo clean. Siyazi uba sithini soyi-2 ngoku. Hayi siyazi uba sithini. And sizo clean. Ndingayifaka nentsudo yam le nto ndiphole.
Definitely.
You know, ndinxibile ibrand yakho ndiphole. Andicacisi nix. You know. Zithini challenges ngoku?
Yeah, challenges are there. As I said, that I've been piloting this business for 4 years, but now I'm ready now to upscale.
Okay.
Yeah, I want to upscale now. But one of the challenges, when you upscale, you need funding.
All right.
To upscale. And you need right skills to upscale. Because what I've realized is that at some point I will need to get a right skill, even if it means some of the things that I'm doing, I'm not going to do myself. Even a CEO or a director might not be necessarily be me, because upscaling requires a lot. Yeah, so now we need funding because you can't employ more without money. Yeah, because when I say funding, because remember, sales might not be enough for operations.
Okay.
You see, so you need at least startup capital to cater. You see, I remember there was a guy that was looking for. He was making socks. He was looking for 5 million.
Besemlomeni bendisezayo kwinto
Yeah, he was looking
bangabana
for 5 million.
bendisezayo kwinto bangabana
Yeah.
xana ke ngoku le podcast yethu ibukelwe ngupresident ibukelwe ngooministers andiyazi ke nomhlawumbi bona ubukhe wabanelakhe andinalaka mna yoo-ministers mna shem mhlawumbi masithi wena unayo elaka kaminister owenza into zenzeke
Yeah.
yabo ongasuyi-politician kakhulu more than ukwenza into zenzeke ikhona ifika isithi kuye if you give i-10 meter it means kuzawucreateka x amount it means kuzawuthi kuthi zikhona into zi-specific ndingakhawulelanga ngento yoba ku-easy or hard njani uba isihlangu sakho sifumane kwa-Edgars and if besinofumaneka kwa-Edgars what would be the advantages zaloo nto leyo u-Edgars, Markhams, Truworths ngeziphi ezinawukunxitywa kuzo ezi ndawo ezo ithini into xa sesithethana ngale nto yomgodlo uba ngakhona ifika ithile mhlawumbi nam ndinayo mhlawumbi khona i-10 meter endixakileyo ndingaqala qombe anoshiyeka apha.
Yeah, no, we're not talking about a lot of money
Sure.
for now. Because remember, upscaling's got phases.
All right.
Yeah, but now I'm talking about this year. Yeah, for example, this year, if we can upscale, at least we get the resources to cover us at least 600 units.
Okay.
The 600 units, we're talking about maybe 400 and something thousand
Yeah.
to upscale. You need that money, okay? Not in phases. If you're going to upscale, you need it now.
All right.
That's the thing.
Afuna iplayer tata.
Yeah.
Afuna laa mgodlo.
Lamgodlo.
Yeah.
So, second phase, if we well, remember, when we upscale, you're not too sure because you don't have a contract with anyone.
Okay.
You're selling with individuals. Yeah, now recently we have started piloting a online store.
Okay.
You see, so we're pushing people to get there on the online store because really we're not really worried much about the money, but we want to see how fast is the shoes are selling.
Okay.
You see, but it becomes nicer if you get funding, especially if that funding is lenient, so that you can get it now. You're not worried about operational cost, at least for 6 months. You're able to pay employees, you're able to cover the cost of that without relying on the sales.
Okay.
You see, so that's a funding we're talking about. It needs a relief to focus because remember, this baby is still new.
Okay.
If you look at other brands, so you need at least money to focus on that. This is 100,000 I'm talking about. I'm talking about now in the next 3 months.
Sure.
That's the commitment that we want. Remember, if you gave us that and then we sold, we will reinvest back that money. We might need more, but it's easy to need more when you see the results.
Those are the first 3 months.
Exactly. At the same time, we're not in the hurry.
Okay.
As I've said, this journey, we are watching it carefully because we don't want to be in front of it. We must listen to this journey if we are moving. Even remember when I said to you, I was not ready to come to the podcast last year. Because, because I can say it's drawing and you don't want to go there and then I don't have at least 50 products, 50 units. And now I'm sitting now, I know I've got 70 units now
Okay.
that I can sell immediately.
Okay.
If someone is looking at this. That's not enough, but it's at least a safer cushion. At least to have less than 100,000. But going to December, at least we want to have at least in stock 500.
Oh wow.
That's why.
Andifuna ulibala ne i-sizes banazo zonke.
Sizes sinazo zonke. We start from size 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but what we don't have is shoes now for kids.
Okay.
And we've been getting a lot of requests.
Bathanda abantwana nam ndinomntana apha endlini.
Yeah, so we've been
Bayathanda
getting a lot
abantwana.
of requests. But
Xa zikhula msinyane ezilight.
yeah, that's the thing.
Umuntu uthenge into ngoku the next thing kuthiwe kum incinci. Bensanduyithenga nje le nto. So mamela ke ngoku ithatha how long i-unit A1 xa isenziwa?
One unit can take up to 5 days. No, not to say that one unit, if we're doing it 1 unit, we can say 2 days.
Oh,
Remember, there is a part that, remember the shoe, you don't do the shoe once. Shoe is like a car. You make
Okay,
2 parts, yeah, and then you combine them.
Yes.
Once everything, remember there is a glue we talk about.
yes, kufuneka yome.
Yeah, funeka yome
ithini.
and all of that. So at least 2 days.
Okay, no, it's
2
fine.
days is
La
enough.
part benditsho into yoba ngabana would you want ukubakho into zo-Edgars, Truettes nentoni? What are the advantages or disadvantages lawe?
We have done that. Ne? We had discussions with some of them. Yeah, we started here, but some of the challenges is the price issue. Because they are vendors, they are what. So they will push some of the cost to the consumer.
Oh, and then abandon ke ngoku bafumana into eduru ke ngoku.
Yeah, and then
Than
it
what
becomes
you
a
want.
challenge. Yeah,
Yeah.
but remember, someone will want to add 15% VAT.
Yeah.
Look at that. So we have studied and see some of the local models that have become big. Have they done that? No. Some of them they decided to. Well, remember, if you are aligned to Edgars might swallow your brand. You see, because even now some of the shops are buying from different people. And those people, theirs is not to build brands. Theirs is to sell volumes. So ours is different. We're building the brand to stand because we have seen that as it grows, is able to stand because some of the case studies are telling us some of the big brands now that we have, I won't mention names, they've been brave to stand alone. So our strategy now is to beat. Remember, once the brand is getting higher, it's going to change everything. It's going to change the price, the demand, and all of that. You see, and we want to remain premium because you don't. For example, some of the shops that we mentioned, they're not selling premium. Premium. Yeah, but it might sound arrogant if I'm saying some of the brands, because of their strategy, they're looking at volumes.
Yes.
So it's like a retail shop that goes to the location. It tends to make more profit than a retail that is in suburb because of volumes, because of social grant, man. So our target is different to say, let's take the punch now, because we say if we build, give this brand at least 12 years. We are on the 4th year now. We say 12 years. And then we are growing, no matter how small, in that 12 years. And then this brand will be unstoppable. So our target now, we're talking 4 years plus, talking 8 years, not upfront. So we want to build and build and build and build. As we go, we're getting alignments, like we are here today. We're gonna go somewhere else tomorrow. So that is our strategy, is to build, and and also the autonomy that we have, the decision I can take it myself without consulting the whole lot of stakeholders. So we're trying to, by all means, because we've got confidence, we've seen it closer, it's happening.
All right.
If we didn't have case studies, then we were going to doubt. but we know, but no, it's possible. If someone has broke the record with 100 meters, soon enough, someone else will break that record.
Okay. Ajonga mna, I think undiphendulile phana. So Edgars no Trust no bani bona kukhona ke into yetyala ne-accounts nina ninazo ezo zinto.
We do.
Okay.
We do. Actually, you pay deposit,
Okay.
and then we don't give you the shoe.
Okay. So bona
until you finish.
bayathathisa. Basinxibe phaa kwi-event baphinde basijikise phaa.
Yes, Payana. And then Payana, they have the bank, they have the backing of the funding. I mean,
Sure.
corporate, their cost, they are next to nothing.
Yeah. No.
Yeah.
Ngifuna nje kuvele
Yeah,
loo nto
yeah,
mna.
yeah.
Ngifuna nje ithi nje siveze nje kancinci. Jonga, I am so excited. Tell us ke ngoku I think buyithe rhitshi nje, but what's the name of the brand? Mandukunike nje lo chance ke ngoku ba usithathe through apha ba ikhona idetail ofuna siyazi, ikhona into because uthethe nangestaff nantoni, and then bikhona ipart ubusithi you don't want manufacturing. You want just an answer. So do you now have indawo ekuthiwa yi-warehouse apho kukho khona itimu sidla ngobona etivini thina kukho umama benzayo phayana? Do you have that? Is it in PE? Is it in China? Is it in London?
Yeah, let me start there. Yeah, we do have.
Okay.
One of them is here in PE.
Okay, one of them.
Yeah.
All right, okay.
Yeah, I have a direct access to it.
All right.
Yeah, as I've said, I don't own it, but I own that portion to say the shoes that are on this side.
Sure.
It's designed for us. But also recently we've got a relationship with another one that is not here.
All right.
It's outside of the country.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, it's outside of the country because the standards that we want to maintain are quite high.
Oh, wow.
So we want to stick there.
All right.
It comes with a pain. Okay? It comes with a lot of bruises. Yeah, but we're also planning to use more of the local, even the ones that are not here in PA, to create relationships. Because what we're trying to create basically is more capacity. But the mistake that people are doing is that is to want to grow, but you don't grow the capacity.
Okay.
Yeah, but someone else might come after the show and say, I need 500 units.
Okay.
And then I mustn't say, I must phone, I must go somewhere and say, next week, can you give me 500 units? You know, but I want to emphasize, people are scared to talk like that, are scared to say some of the capacity. I'm getting it outside.
Aye. Yes, the goof.
People are scared to say, I always say, I work with small business. Most small businesses that are technical focused, they don't grow. People that are busy sowing, planting, they grow to a certain level. But remember, running a business, it's got a lot of administration. You might be neglecting tax clearance, a simple thing. You might be neglecting to put money in the bank account, a simple thing. But he's busy producing units, but those units are meaningless if they are being sold, but they are not documented in the bank. So if you want to borrow money, the bank doesn't know that you have a business. So that's what I'm trying to say, to drive and to say, you mustn't be ashamed to, for example, I will make an example. A business that is in cars, manufacturing of cars, they don't sell cars sometimes themselves. They've got dealership.
Yes.
You see? And the dealership is branded there. VW. Yes, it's VW, but VW knows that I can't focus on producing and selling at the same time. So that's what I'm trying to say. That it's fortunate that we do have direct access, but sometimes I go to the factory and say, no, I no longer want yellow now, I need white. Let's do white tomorrow, you see. So it's owning, I'm owning that particular product and factory without the ownership. But we are scared to speak like that because we haven't been taught correct about small business. We are taught with limitation about hayi khula wena uphela apha. Because uba uyagqitha apha awuzosimamela. We are too
Mamele
big.
ke ngoku ndandikhe ndafunda laa ncwadi yakaPhil Knight as umntu wezihlangu nantoni. Ndaphika apha into yoba hey kanento ezihlangu ukhona into yobaleka khona into yantoni. Khakhe usithathe apha. Do you have wena ii-plans zoba ibe khona for ubaleka? Imbaleki abantu be-100 meters, abantu be-comrades. These are the people abathenga all the time. Hey, abantu be-comrades bayaspenda esihlangwini. Aboyika uthenga isihlangu se-6,000 aba bantu. Yo.
Yeah, no, we do. Actually, we worked on one sample,
Okay.
running shoe.
Okay.
We do have it. If you check our page, you will see it. And then we hold it on because we're going to sell it this year. But we hold it on, say, no, let's hold it on a little bit. But by September, we'll have it in South Africa in numbers. But only running shoe, and now running shoe is it's fashion now because they can use it for walking as well.
Okay.
The shoes that you run out, the comfort and all of that. We there,
Okay.
but we were even thinking about soccer boots for future. Remember, we talk about 8 years that we are streamlining and putting systems. These things, some of them are in paper.
Okay.
Some within
I'm even happy mna into yoba ngabana khange ndicinge tu i-soccer boards.
Yeah.
And then bendisoyikisela klina yobaleka. Ndicinga uzawuthi futhi uba mna sihoyanga. Hey, if uphayana because i-technical kakhulu esisobaleka. Like kakhulu.
But we've done one. And then it's here. And then I think we did give it to Maf. He's using it.
Hey, umafa uyabaleka? Hey, umafa.
He's using it not necessarily for. He's an ambassador with this walking
Oh, okay,
or running
still.
clubs.
No, it's fine,
remember
yes.
where we are. We will get into the actual runners.
All right.
Big time.
Because bona ngaba uyaphayana ucheckishe noba funeka ibe njani inyawo lakho linjani unyathela njani qombe hey i-technical into zabo. They don't just take anything.
No, they
bayajonga into yoba wena unyathela ngesithende uthi unyathela sengciba okay ininzi most le nto izakwenza uba umuntu enze better.
Yeah,
So
but we will start it with we won't start with the real athletes that are very competitive.
All right.
Remember, we are piloting.
Okay.
We'll start with me and you.
Okay. They better to comrades.
Yeah.
Yes. So I'm happy for you. Do you want to take us through Glen and educate abantu ba umuntu angabona into engathi ingumbuko but actually it's meant for into ethile and kuye kuthini just nje abantu zange ke bakhe bafumana umuntu omanufacture isihlangu.
Yeah, no, thanks man. Yabona lena it's yenziwe ngeleather le.
All right.
It's a leather shoe.
Okay.
And then we've noticed that we market yethu iyatshintsha in terms of age group as well.
Okay.
This was to accommodate the leather le. It's called as white. It's a stylish sneaker shoe is.
All right.
Yeah. And then into engamandla up siyenza i-comfort. If unozwe uve. It's a comfort you can walk a long distance. Yeah. And le leather yethu, as I've said that, it's durable kakhulu, very, very durable. Ingahlala le hlangu but ke wawafunekanga ube naso so mhlawumbi no-10 wazimbini kwalapha kuthi kodwa.
Alright,
Yeah.
alright. Injalo?
Yeah.
No, injalo?
Yeah, but yona ndingamandla yi-durability
Alright.
ne-quality.
Okay.
Yeah, and if you are join price yayo iyafikeleleka.
Okay.
It's just 1.299.
No ways.
Yeah, esesitango.
No.
Yabo. Ndiyasazi ke because of i-demand bendisenza i-delivery nalapha eweekendini. I-demand is growing.
Okay.
Yeah, it's growing. It's because of umuntu osithengileyo kwaba sebasithengile I think no bayi-40. Akabikho sibuyisile
Okay.
okanye complainayo.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So ke yona ndingamandla apha i-durability ne-comfort.
Okay.
Because sithengisela abantu esibaziyo ba isihlangu sakho asikho sinye but sifuna unxiba ubeke 20 isihlangu sakho pha uqonda ba ukuyisibambe every day noma uzosinxiba.
Alright.
So yabo because it's
Hayi,
always
sibona
there.
ensingangena mna kum ngithanda izinto ndingasifaka ndisinxibe nesuit close to apho ube
Correct.
mhle.
Correctly
You know?
so.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
I
it's,
love
it's
it.
a simple design. Ayo design ingaqhelekanga. And esithanda accommodator different age groups.
Okay.
Yeah, because remember, you must get whatever you're saying, say youth, ungayishiyi ngasemva, because in 10 years time or 6 years time, ngabo abantu amakhadi abazaba nemali engcono
Sure.
kuneyethu. I'm smiling.
No. I'm happy man ufanga le nto. Hey, yazi le episode lena itouche kwizinto ndava kamandi.
Yeah.
Ndava kamandi basithetha ngomuntu olapha eBhayi ukhulele apha wenza izinto apha and wenza apha ngoku. Like kukho ithemba loba obukeleyo athi hayi mos nami ndingayenza mos lento. It's enough for everyone. Like everyone funeka inxibe isihlangu. So like into entswembu ingange ke ufumane itender ekuthiwa nxibisa amabhandinti onke.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
Hey, nganice lo nto tata. Hey, nganice bho lokho ibhandinti xa lingena funa inxitywe. And then bakho i-juveniles. Because mina ndandikhe ndabhandinta as a juvenile. Ndasuka kwi-juvenile ndahamba nongena ebantu badala. Kwi-juveniles ngoko ibekho i-tracksuit. So xa i-tracksuit ihamba neteki. So I don't even know ngubani wayidizayina laa teksi zabantu. Can you imagine mele bayithende umuntu ofana nawe leya?
Yeah, no, we're looking forward to
So ngobhati ngoku sesibona kumadlanga commission ba hey asizozifumana mos ezi zinto.
Yeah.
Amagrotman atya wodwa mos bona kule nto. So imadlanga isenze sakukhamisa okokoko ba oko besixhomba siyazibuza into yoba hey thina asiweak asenzi kakuhle kanti ayaziqhubela amagrotman.
Yeah.
So but ke xa kuthe kwagqitywa ngayo bamka bonke abamoshayo kushiyeke kwenza into ezirayithi. Those are the tenders or izinto esizibawelayo. Noba kuthiwa kuwe nxibisa i-Eastern Cape, omnye kuthiwa manxibisa i-Western Cape, omnye anxibisa i-KZN, njalo it will be great, yabo. As much as singafuni uba mabaye abantwana ke etrongweni.
Yeah,
But kodwa ke xa sebekhona ke. So thanks kakhulu. Abantu bakufumana phi? Nanku omnye uthe phofu kwi-provinces zonke. Kuyanxitywa ngohlobo. Sebekhona kwi-neighboring like Namibia, Mozambique, Botswana, Zimbabwe.
Yeah, I think the only country we is Zimbabwe. True number of Zimbabweans that are here.
Okay.
They buying on
Bathumele.
behalf of Bathumele.
Okay.
And because of the size, sometimes it was if we make the shoe ourselves. So can say, hi, I'm size 13.
Oh, okay.
All of that. So yeah.
Oh, ndakazifumana i-request oba ngabana hey alikhulu inyawo lam I struggle pha. Oh wow, man.
So we do that. So yeah, but what we're dreaming about, because we in South Africa we've got about 66 million people, and we want at least 40 million, 45 to know the brand,
Okay.
because ours is to. It will happen in the next 8 years that we're targeting. Ours, because sometimes you assume and think that people knows the brand, but ours is to get even this standard thing. We're looking at it, but not as a priority.
Sure.
We want individual household, at least every household, or every street
Okay.
instead of to have one person having the brand. So we know it's not an easy thing to do, but with the help of association, well, remember we once sold to Tipo Touch at one of the church events. We didn't sleep for 24 hours
Wow.
because people were calling, So hence I believe
I think
that
I was there. We were shooting.
at RAK,
Iraq.
Iraq. So, and people are still asking me about what happened. How did you get to meet him? So that gives us confidence to say, for any brand to survive, you need a bit of luck as well. You need to be at the right place as well, because you don't know. I know some of the brands, a person will be lucky. Maybe a person like Black Coffee or Sia Collins takes a photo of Angie and posts it. Those are things that you wish for when you have a brand.
Afford
Those are things you asking me about. Those are things that whenever if you are what you're doing is destined for it's gonna happen.
No.
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. I'm glad that this space is like being here. It's huge. It's very huge because there are so many people that are following you. And then those people, that's what we need. We need the brand to be a talk to by right people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Andifuna ungayibuzi ke le question because abantu abaninzi bayaxakwa. Wena uyaspana wenza business injani la balancing? Can people do it? Okanye should a person now say mani mna yayeka mna kukhona into ba abantu banyevule u9 to 5 ngathi into embi. No naxesha la 9 to 5 mna. Nto uthini up around that ba uzibalansa zoyi2 yenze kanjani into yakho?
Yeah, it's very difficult. Very, very difficult in so many fronts. But what is nice about it is that I don't work in my business between 9 and 5.
Okay.
I work in my business from 5 and upwards.
Okay.
Even what I do is more administration.
Okay.
Because I've employed resources and there are people that are helping me to other things. But I check if what needs to be done has been done.
All right.
So I work more like as a director now. But difficult at the beginning because they come in with small, certain things I must do it myself. So there are people that are even volunteering to work with me to assist me with certain things. Yeah, I also met a guy that helped me to start an online store within 6 hours. So what I'm trying to say is the relationships that I've built over a period that are helping me.
All right.
And the fact that I'm not a shoemaker myself, I'm not in the production, nullifies that. If I was involved in sewing and all of that, it was going to be impossible.
Okay.
And it's not even my employers that at the beginning they didn't understand. They don't understand because this thing is new. So they don't understand, but how does it allocate time? Does it work? But because of I'm aware of this journey and I'm not going to make a mistake of jumping and do all of those things because of I'm forcing myself to be only an entrepreneur. And it's the first time that I'm talking about it. Because people, they talk about something gossip, they don't ask you.
I'm happy we asked them.
They don't ask you, and they will suspect that you are doing certain things to favor. No, and I'm not getting. Instead, sometimes it disadvantages me because I can't be funded there because I'm there. I can't get this because of. But we know the failure rate of small business in South Africa is more than 70%. Now you've got people that you have trained to train others to, but you're saying they can't help that 70% themselves. They have that skill, that they can use because the society is not encouraging them to be entrepreneurs themselves. It's difficult. Ke le nto ndiqha ndiyi-understand uba oh sorry ndiyayi-understand uba idemocracy le isentsha.
Yeah.
At next generation yethu izawuyenza le nto that I'm doing easily.
Sure.
Because now the modern world, if I've visited Malaysia in the study tour, I realized that most of the people that are driving the economy is young people because of they can work even with their phones. And in Malaysia, they're using technology more than anything. For example, I saw the e-bikes are used in town. In town, they don't drive cars. They use as a bikes that you click. You want to go, you are in Grenada cars, you want to go in town. There is a road next to the road. You just get there, you put it, it moves itself.
Yeah.
And then you put it in the next station. You're using a card to swipe it. You put money. So I'm thinking, people that are driving those things, I say, okay, it's not like we're not smart, but it's just that our democracy is new. Some of the things mentally, we're not there.
Sure.
Yeah, but so younger people, they will have different energy supported by technology so that you are able to work in 5 jobs sitting in one place.
Yeah. Ndiyakuva. Mamela ke ngoku. Nina kwezindawo nikuzo nimane ninceda abantu ngebhizinisi nibi ideas zethu. Ube idea wena yomntu.
No. Mna, for example, I've said, I've never had anyone who said to me, kubiwe opportunity.
Ne?
Yeah, idea, angayiba umuntu idea. Idea is nothing. Idea is not an opportunity. Mandenza umzekelo uba idea kwezihlangu but awukasithengisi.
Okay.
Okanye awuzazi uzasithengisela bani.
Yeah.
Ube laa nto qha icingiwe uba hayi sihlangu. The question is that kutheni ngoku angayibo omnye umntu uthi omnye umntu akhayibe enze ihlangu ndezomzekelo. Okanye into yobuya kwe-idea is very difficult to really define even by law. Ungathi hayi product yam le.
Yeah.
But lo mntu instead of afake ublack up ublack amfake up kanye amtshintsha ayiseyiyo la product.
Yeah.
So I don't even encourage people to into the trying and protector.
Yeah.
You protect the product. It's very difficult to win in the law in the court of law because the product against, for example, la muntu benchela uFord ngeyinye imoto apha emhlabeni ngeyinye imoto ka Ford but imoto zineze no lights ngokuzonke from different companies uzawuthi umntu ayi distance. It's not the same. So ndiyabava abantu bethanga idea but mna yami idea
Bathe boyike noyocela uncedo. Ba yo basiye pha izawubiyo le idea yethu kathini.
Yeah, ke
Baphole man. Tata, hey, ibi masterclass.
yeah, thanks.
Ibi masterclass. Thank you so much. This is probably not the last time sizawuhlala ngolu hlobo. Abantu will leave inamba zakho. So that your socials nandondoni bakufumana njani buso mentionile lena ihamba ku 1.2 abantu bangafumana you can courier ungathintini or mhlawumbe nento ba online yenze kanjani that bakwazi nifumana.
Yeah, abantu banganifumana ku Facebook NG Goniwe.
Okay.
Na ku Instagram NG Goniwe.
Okay.
Na kule online store ngoku NG Goniwe Brands.
Oh.
There is a link now.
Okay.
That you can get into. Is the banking details but upay chaza delivery yonke into ikhona pha.
Uzawukwazi
Yeah, uzawukwazi ungena. It's a very simple online store. New, very new. We're piloting that.
Okay.
But we're not planning to start any physical shop soon. The only thing that we can do in the near future is a studio where people can go and feed and have coffee and go home.
Okay.
And order. We don't want to, because we don't want to limit ourselves to Eastern Cape. If we've got a shop in the Eastern Cape, we must open another one in the other place. We are trying to move with time.
All right.
Because the adoption rate before COVID, your online stores in South Africa was around 11%. But now we're looking at between 16 and 17%, which means people are moving from buying in the physical store into online.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Hey, hayi nami undithe ingqondo yamani ibuya ngento kaGoniwe ndiyakubuza uba hey man utata Goniwe uthini into hayi so siyabulela kakhulu. I enjoyed it mna. I enjoyed it because these are the things endibawela abantu abatsha bathethe ngazo bathini. There's opportunities banze nezinye izinto asithi wonke umuntu angenza isihlangu ngoku. There's other things nansi iwatch, nansi i-ring, nansi glasses, eyewear. There's just so much. Thank you Tata man for
Man.
Yeah.
It was good to be here.
Okay.
Yeah, it was good to be here at the right time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Kodwa yazi sorry ngakhandiphazamisa. Khange simbulise umama ekhaya.
Beke.
Nabantwana ngase ungabethwa ungaphakela pha yo ndiyenza njani lonto.
Yeah.
Yes, khange siphe njengomama ekhaya nabantwana endlini.
Yeah, umama ekhaya ke Asanda Makatesi.
Okay.
Is a backbone as well.
All right.
Of myself and some of the ideas.
Sure.
Yeah, siyalwa pha idea endinayo ndiqala pha.
Okay.
Ibethwe.
Yeah.
Ibuye nokize kuni.
Okay.
Say right.
All right.
Yeah, nabantwana I've got 2 kids.
Sure.
Usegeni omnye kuTolo.
Okay.
One is a rugby player.
Oh.
Yeah, uyazama.
All right.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Masubuze ngamagama abantwana bazothi bonke tatam. Yes.
Yeah, Iviwe.
All right.
Intombi.
Okay.
And then umfana nguBathandwa.
All right.
Yeah.
Nibulisile kutata. Yuzi phansi umosha.
Yeah,
Sayenza njani lonto leyo. No, thanks kakhulu. I must say indoba I enjoyed it. Be masterclass nyani. People will always come back to this episode. Bazojonga ba busithini into. Mhlawumbe sophinde sibe nayo enye xa sesikwenye level as well.
Yeah.
Uready naleyo ba kuyabalekwa khona ebaleni for rugby, for soccer, for hockey, for tennis because zi different zonke ezazihlangu eziyana ba is tennis different ifit, soccer different, rugby different, hockey different. So uyayibona nje opportunities man njemba sincokola nje ba there is so much for umuntu omnye uzaya kwigaladina ulungiselele omnye ufuna uya nje
Correct.
you know kwindawo elwandle njalo.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
No, thanks.
Ke uza kwethu apha. Business endayikhula bendabizwa ngokweSanlam to go and ndiyowenza motivational talk. Konke into umnandi uye awuzazi noba uzabhatalwa malini uvuyelele nokuthiwa ayikho nto uzayinikwa. So that i-business iyakwazi ukuthatha ukubonisa kusakanye i-revenue model khona kalo ndandizothengisa izihlangu apha.
Yeah.
But as i-brand ikhula friends ikhona nenye into.
Yeah.
So then I'm enkosi to people like you because without you stakeholders because sometimes ungayo endoswa kwenye indawo but without your people, your community that are recognized, you know, uba nayo baya recognize there's good alignment, you know. So umuntu aqonda hey nyani yabo nyani lento masicimba yaphela thina nalo kaGoniwe yabo hayi man isekhona so ngamazwi ami ke lawo thank you very much.
Sure.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you for watching and for not skipping videos, ads, and subscribe and like Apple. Siyabulela. It is a wrap. We enjoyed this episode. Sure.